Hi everyone! Welcome to a short demo of the Nakisa Hanelly Diversity and Inclusion features. This is our latest enhancement, and it will let you visualize key data to understand and meet your diversity and inclusion metrics. I'll tell you how. Nakisa Hanelly Diversity and Inclusion features leverage the HR data in Nakisa Hanelly and enable you to develop a comprehensive integration plan for D&I, automate detection of definable D&I categories, review dashboard summaries, and tabulate D&I issues, metrics, and trend graphics. Nakisa Hanelly Diversity and Inclusion features allow statistical HR analysis on the 5 categories recommended by the French Gender Equality Index, which is becoming the global standard for D&I. 1. Wage differences between women and men. 2. Pay increases between women and men. 3. Differences in annual promotions. 4. Pay increase upon return from parental leave. 5. Number of women included among the company's top 10 earners. By using our advanced search and dynamic filter capabilities, you can narrow down to specific records and immediately understand your organization's gender equality status as a whole, or in specific business units or countries. You can also easily drill down to examine your total number of employees by ethnicity or other category, and gain demographical insights into the metrics your company is trying to understand. Our diversity analysis feature can slice and dice data using comprehensive filter panels, which means you can build your own customized, targeted filters to hone in on potential problem areas and strategize solutions based on accurate, real-time data. To analyze any past trends within your organization, the Effective Dated Analytics feature can show you the impacts of previous changes to your workforce and decision-making, enabling you to effectively adjust your future business plans. These are just a few key features of how Nakisa Hanelly can help you achieve your diversity and inclusion initiatives. For more information or to see a live demo, please reach out to us at info@nakisa.com or visit nakisa.com.